Hi, it's Mary Louise, and it's that time of year again, the holiday season, which means you and your Cricut are going to be best friends. There are so many things you can do to add that extra sprinkle of holiday magic. You can make decor, gifts, cards, and personalized everything without spending a ton. Today, I want to share 3 super easy and quick beginner projects anyone can do that really highlight how versatile Cricut is at this time of year. All right, let's jump in. First up, we're starting with holiday gifting. This is one of my favorite things about having a Cricut. You can take a simple gift and make it really special. Today, I have this cute compact mirror, and I'm going to be adding some personalization before I gift it to a friend of mine. For this project, you'll need some vinyl, your compact mirror, transfer tape, weeder tool, and the option for scissors. To do this, I'm gonna head into Design Space. Type a name or initial and pick a cute font. You can add some cute embellishments like this floral design and hit make. I'm using smart vinyl today, so I don't need a mat, but if you're using regular vinyl, you're gonna need a cutting mat. Now I'll load my materials. Next, I'll take scissors and cut the vinyl to size. I just like to cut the excess vinyl. That way I'm not dealing with too much material at a time. I'll do the same for the transfer tape as well. Next, I'm gonna remove the excess vinyl with my weeder tool. And then I'll grab my transfer tape and press it onto the design. Transfer tape is great because you don't have to eyeball where everything goes. You can position it exactly where you want it. Now I'll apply my design onto my compact mirror. And there you have it, a cute little compact mirror that's custom and personal. It takes minutes, costs almost nothing, and instantly turns a small gift into something thoughtful and totally custom. You can do the same for mugs, tumblers, candles, notebooks. Cricut works on so many surfaces. Next, let's move to decor. I've been really loving the shift towards traditional holiday decor this year, so we're going to be upgrading our tried and true paper garland. For this project, you'll need a cardstock, cutting mat, and tape or stapler. In Design Space, I'm going to search paper garland. There's so many options here. I love this one, so I'll select Make It. Now I'll load my cardstock onto my cutting mat. I like either a light or standard grip mat for cardstock, and the Cricut will do all the cutting. Gonna peel away the excess, and then I'll repeat the process for a few more colors. I'll repeat the cutting process a couple times until I have a handful of each color. Now it's time to assemble. I'm gonna take my tape and assemble. I really like the process of assembling paper garland, and if you didn't want to do it alone, it'd be a great pastime to do with the kids or with the loved one. So I'm just gonna repeat the process, alternating different colors. After a few rounds, it should look something like this. I love paper garland. It's such an easy, inexpensive way to match your decor, especially when Cricut handles all the tedious cutting for you. And to show a totally different side of Cricut, custom shirts you can make for the whole family. I don't know about you, but my family loves wearing matching PJs. But with your Cricut, you can commemorate this holiday with something totally custom. What you'll need is iron-on vinyl or infusible ink, a cutting mat, a weeder tool, parchment paper, a heat press, or an iron. In Design Space, I chose some really cute images of things that my family love this time of year, and I can add our name, the year, and once I like it, I can click Make It. Set aside my Easy Press for now, and then I'll load my smart material onto my machine. Once I unload my material, I'm going to start weeding the excess vinyl. And here is my design. Now I will prep my t-shirt for application. Then I'll place my parchment paper over my design to protect it from excessive heat. And then I'll firmly apply my Easy Press. I love that Cricut makes apparel projects feel easy, even if you're brand new. And doing them yourself is way cheaper than ordering matching sets online. Once it's cool to touch, I'm gonna slowly peel away the liner. And here is the final look, a custom Christmas sweater. I hope you enjoyed these projects, and Design Space has tons of great project ideas. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!